there is any stress or weight in life that you have been holding on to or has been placed upon your shoulders, in your own mind's eye, just drop all that weight. Just drop it. Drop it into this chair, for the chair can hold that also. Think about all the stress in life, the weight. You can let it go, either physical, mental, or emotional. And as you let it go, allow your spine to relax, your shoulders to relax, and allow that wave of relaxation. Bring it all the way down from your shoulders, drop it all the way down to your arms, all the way down to the hands, and allow, just like faucets, your fingers becoming faucets, and every negativity, every tension, every worry, and if there's any pain in your body, release and blow away all that pain, or just let it wash out down from each and every one of your fingers, as if opening a faucet. And allow your fingers to release, the tip of the fingers to come all the way down, and let all that tension, blame, guilt, negativity, hurt, release it and drop it onto the floor. And give yourself permission to do so. And allow that wave of relaxation to relax your back. And as you breathe in, allow that oxygen and vitality to begin to heal all your pain in your body. To go to the part, if there is any pain or stress, let it heal. Let it heal and make it well. Your body knows what to do. And it thanks you for the permission to do so now.